Hello everyone, I'm Philip from SoundxVision. We are working on a forward input solution in XR. And here is one of our solutions, a thumb-mounted controller, which senses the finger gesture for interacting in XR. The device offers more reliable input to hand checking, especially with the micro interaction such as swiping and sliding. So instead of hovering your hand in the air like this, you can do this or this. So simple. The thumb-mounted controller uses an inertial measurement unit and this slider to detect finger movement and contact. And this slider also comes with a force sensing mechanism, and believe me, it will improve the hand checking experience by far margins. Alongside with the hardware, we're also working on a hand interface. The combination of the hand interface and the thumb-mounted controller will enhance your XR experience. So let's check out some of the prototypes. First, let's talk about how we use the force sensing on the thumb-mounted controller. You can see on this demo on Oculus Quest 2, I shoot the bullets without pinching. That is possible because the thumb-mounted controller senses the pressure applied by my thumb to the index finger, so that I can do many quick presses without leaving my thumb off the index finger, or I can also press really hard on my index finger to shoot the gun automatically. And I can change between the bullets and cannon by interacting with the touch slider. Now let's jump on some number. Here an early version of the thumb-mounted controller, I will demonstrate about how the quick press and long press are detected. As you can see, it grabs the pressure level in real time, with the peaks are the quick presses when I squeeze my thumb, and long press is when I press and hold the thumb-mounted controller. The data is presented through Arduino. In reality, this thumb-mounted controller uses Bluetooth low energy, so you can expect the data rate up to 100 Hz, and the Bluetooth low energy is widely available on via headset, phone or tablet, so you can easily implement this to your project. Here is a vertical hand interface. This interface is controlled by the slider, so I can switch between my hand tool by swiping vertically, just like I did with the bullets and cannon on the earlier demo. And the slider can also be used for fine-tuning a tool parameter like this. Imagine this is a brush. When you slide to adjust the brush size, and the force sensing mechanism will handle the offset of the brush. We have a demo on Oculus which will use the force sensing for drawing with dynamical chalk. You can check it on our website at SoundxVision.io. And here is a prototype for demonstrating swiping left and right, which is a bit more complicated than vertical swiping. The thumb-mounted controller uses touch data from the slider along with motion data from the MU for horizontal swipe detection. And here is a prototype which demonstrates swiping up, down, left, right direction on a social network type of app that can be displayed on an AR glass. So, right thumb, right nose, another finger, say index finger. Designing for thumb is challenging because not everyone has the same shape or size of the thumb. But the benefit of a thumb-mounted controller is it's much more flexible in terms of movement. By that I mean I can either move my index finger on the surface of the thumb-mounted controller like this, or use the thumb-mounted controller to move on my index finger like this. And that's the whole point of a thumb-mounted controller, more flexible gesture for XR. SoundxVision focus on XR, so we would love to see XR developer to implement this thematic controller on their project to create new application experience for hand checking in XR. But if you are a normal user, you can use this thematic controller as a human interface device, say a mouse or a presentation tool. And good news, the thematic controller gonna be open source. The material on how to build your own one will be available soon on our website at SoundxVision.io. But if you are not bothered making one, we will sell this as a ready-to-use device so that you can try implement it on your project or even modify it further. And we love to see all that. But for now, please join our Discord for the latest updates. Thank you.